Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen recording. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can change sound settings, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, which is basically like a quality, but you can set up custom quality with, you can select like your resolution and bitrate, or you can just select low or medium. You can set up frame rate, so you can set the dynamic frame rate or fixed frame rate. You can record video front camera, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format, and yeah, that's it. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap agree and continue, allow, allow. And now, like, you have this recording menu. You can access settings from here too, but only sound settings. So to start recording, just tap on the red button and recording starts. So we can record some of our screen. You can pause recording by tapping on this button, then you can play it again by tapping on this button once again. And you can also move around this front camera view. You can move around this menu. But when you're done recording, you just tap on this red button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots, or video. And here it is. So we can record some of our screen. You can pause on this button, and from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.